Hi, it's Rachel Plowman from the Dan Plowman team, and today I'm excited to bring to you our newest listing at 1681 Concession Road 7 in Uxbridge. This stunning custom-built home is located on just over 22 acres, located just south of the Skyloft Ski Resort. The home itself is over 4,500 square feet, plus a finished basement with a walkout and a second kitchen. The backyard is an oasis with an in-ground pool, tons of professional landscaping, and a heated gazebo. The home itself has a great room with floor-to-ceiling windows to help you take in those spectacular views, an open concept kitchen, a main floor master with a 5-piece ensuite including a sauna and a walkout as well. If that wasn't enough to wow you, how about a triple car garage? Or maybe the extra detached double car garage with an office? Now I'm sure you're just as excited to see this place as I am, so let's go have a look.